Welcome to BassMan Strikes Kayak Fishing and Drones. The day was Monday, October 14th, 2019, and the place was the Southeast Wisconsin River. I headed out late as the morning temps were only in the 30s, and when I arrived at the river, the temps had only risen to around 45 degrees. Sit back and enjoy the beautiful fall river scenery and the cold water smallmouth bass. Also, please take a second to hit the subscribe and like buttons, as it really helps the channel to grow and be seen in search results. Thanks for watching. The river was extremely low and fast, and you can see as I approach this bridge how fast it was. Bridges focus and concentrate the current around the pilings, and it was quite a workout paddling under the bridge through that concentrated current. The reason for the fast current is the river in this section is actually an impoundment between two dams, and because of heavy rains they had all the floodgates open on the lower dam. Oh, nice small smallie. Not too bad. He's really cold. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe and like buttons. If you would like to be notified of new videos, click the bell icon. We'll see you next time.